What makes a cruiser truly iconic? It's not just the design or the roar of the engine, it's the weight, that undeniable heft that defines its personality and riding experience. Forget speed and agility, cruisers are all about commanding presence and timeless charm. But here's the twist. It's not just the American giants stealing the show. Surprising contenders like Suzuki and BMW are proving they can go toe-to-toe in this heavyweight showdown. And wait until you see the unexpected 4-year-old upstart holding its own against century-old legends. In today's video, we'll talk about the top 10 heaviest cruiser motorcycles. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 10. Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114. Step into the past with a twist of modern mastery. This Harley-Davidson is a rolling time capsule that blends vintage allure with contemporary muscle. Anchored by a robust air-cooled V-twin engine, it delivers an impressive 119 pound-feet of torque, effortlessly propelling its 738-pound frame with grace. Though lighter than some of its heavyweight peers, this cruiser doesn't skimp on character or comfort. Equipped with a plush touring seat for two, a removable windshield, forward-set floorboards, and classic mini-ape handlebars, it's tailored for the open road. Add in leather-studded, lockable saddlebags and a 5-gallon tank, and you've got minimalism perfected for adventure. At $22,500, this Harley proves you don't need excess to leave a lasting impression. Engineered for the long haul and designed to turn heads, this is more than a motorcycle. It's a statement on two wheels. Number 9. BMW R18. Introducing the BMW R18, a cruiser that blends timeless design with Bavarian engineering, redefining what it means to be old school. The only flat-twin barebone cruiser on this list, the R18, boasts a stunning low-slung silhouette, gleaming chrome accents, and a gorgeous air-oil-cooled boxer twin engine that delivers a robust 116 pound-feet of torque. At over 68 inches in wheelbase, this beamer doesn't just compete, it dominates as the longest barebone cruiser here, outstretching even Harley and Indian rivals. Its heavy-duty build, complete with a double cradle steel frame and a final shaft drive, adds durability and weight, making it a true road warrior. But the real kicker? At just $15,000, it's the most affordable cruiser of 2025, offering unbeatable value without compromising on heritage or performance. The BMW R18 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style and substance, tailor-made for riders who crave sophistication with a side of torque. Number 8. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. Meet the Suzuki M109R Boulevard, a cruiser that exudes raw, old-school power and unapologetic charm. Unlike its modern, tech-laden competitors, this machine hasn't seen a generational upgrade since 2006, making it a relic in the best possible way. For fans of V-twin cruisers, that's not a downside, it's a badge of authenticity. Beneath its muscular exterior lies a liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers a staggering 128 horsepower and 118 pound-feet of torque. With internals inspired by Suzuki's track-ready sport bikes, it's not just brawn, it's a precision powerhouse. This blend of heritage styling and cutting-edge engineering adds to its undeniable heft and presence. At 67.3 inches of wheelbase and priced at $15,699, the M109R offers an irresistible mix of performance, style, and nostalgia. It's more than just a cruiser. It's a visceral experience for riders who crave a connection to the road without sacrificing power. Number 7. Indian Super Chief. Meet the Indian Super Chief duo, a pair of cruisers that seamlessly blend old-school charm with modern touring practicality. Like Harley's Heritage Classic, these bikes sport iconic air-cooled V-twin engines paired with light-duty touring features, but with a twist. the Super Chief Limited packs more punch. With a larger engine and 12 additional pound-feet of torque, it still manages to weigh nearly the same as the base model. Talk about smart engineering. Designed for mile-munching adventures, these motorcycles offer all the essentials for comfort and style. Think tall windshields, leather-wrapped lockable saddlebags, and standard floorboards, all perfectly tailored to elevate your journey. Starting at $19,000, these Indians deliver the best of classic cruiser vibes with just the right amount of touring sophistication. For riders seeking a balance of power, heritage, and practicality, the Super Chief lineup stands out as timeless machines ready to take you wherever the road leads. Number 6. BMW R18 Roane. Introducing the BMW R18 Roane, a stunning blend of American custom motorcycle culture and Bavarian engineering excellence. This powerhouse fuses the essence of the base R18 cruiser with the touring-ready features of the R18 Classic, elevating it into a bold, statement-making machine. Its sleek design is complemented by two sculpted hard-case saddlebags that seamlessly flow with the bike's striking silhouette. The Roane rolls on massive 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, giving it an imposing stance while keeping the seat height accessible. A mini ape-hanger handlebar not only enhances its hot rod aesthetic, but also provides a relaxed yet commanding riding position. However, this design masterpiece comes with a touch of added heft thanks to its premium touring features. At $19,000, the R18 Roane is more than a motorcycle. It's a bold expression of power, style, and craftsmanship. With 116 pound-feet of torque at your command, this cruiser is ready to dominate the open road with authority. Number 5. BMW R18 Classic. Introducing the BMW R18 Classic, the ultimate touring-ready evolution of BMW's iconic cruiser. Retaining the soul of the standard R18, this version is packed with thoughtful upgrades that make it the perfect companion for long-haul adventures. Its signature air oil-cooled flat twin engine still delivers an impressive 116 pound-feet of torque, but now it comes equipped for serious touring. Standard features include a tall windscreen crowned above the headlamp, 2 auxiliary lights, and full-size floorboards for enhanced comfort. Soft saddlebags offer 4.1 gallons of storage space, while the classic fishtail exhaust has been swapped for compact circular mufflers, ensuring the bags fit seamlessly. With these touring enhancements, the curb weight climbs to a commanding 800+ pounds, giving the R18 Classic undeniable road presence. At $18,000, this is more than a cruiser. It's a blend of heritage and practicality, designed for riders who crave long-distance journeys with a touch of timeless BMW elegance. Number 4. Harley-Davidson Road King Special. Meet the Harley-Davidson Road King Special, the most affordable touring-ready cruiser in Harley's lineup, delivering classic style with serious long-haul capabilities. Weighing in at 807 pounds, this machine blends old-school charm with modern practicality, featuring a torquey air-cooled 114 V-twin that churns out a mighty 122 pound-feet of torque. Wide floorboards, a relaxed yet commanding riding position, and 2 spacious stretched hard-case saddlebags ensure you're ready for any adventure. Adding a bold touch to its vintage silhouette is a mini ape handlebar, 9 inches tall and 1.25 inches wide. That gives the rider an assertive and elevated posture, perfect for cruising in style. At $24,999, the Road King Special isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of timeless Harley-Davidson craftsmanship, designed for riders who demand comfort, power, and unmatched road presence. Whether it's a cross-country trek or a weekend getaway, this Harley is built to make every mile unforgettable. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Hydra Glide Revival. Introducing the Hydra Glide Revival, a tribute to 75 years of Harley-Davidson heritage, limited to just 1,750 units. This masterpiece is a nostalgic nod to the original Hydra glide, wrapped in timeless design and packed with modern muscle. Anchored by an air-cooled 114 V-twin engine, it churns out a commanding 119 pound-feet of torque, carried by a robust tubular steel frame. Classic touches like chunky beer can front forks, steel-laced wheels, and vintage-inspired saddlebags give it unmatched character, while a striking 21-inch dual-tone windscreen enhances its touring prowess. The only hints of modernity? Cruise control and ABS, subtle yet practical upgrades to an otherwise old-school experience. Priced at $25,000. This rolling tribute isn't just a motorcycle, it's a piece of history reimagined for today's riders. With its retro flair and powerful heart, the Hydra Glide revival invites you to celebrate the legacy of Harley-Davidson in style. Number 2. Indian Springfield Dark Horse. Meet the Indian Springfield Dark Horse, a bagger that masterfully blends minimalist design with bold custom styling. With its open front fender showcasing a striking 19-inch 10-spoke wheel and the iconic Indian motorcycle headdress, this bike demands attention from every angle. At its heart lies a powerful 116 V-twin engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 126 pound-feet of torque, perfect for dominating the open road. Indian has kept the design sleek to shave off weight, but the essentials remain. From lockable hard-case saddlebags to heavy-duty underpinnings and that massive V-twin, every detail speaks to durability and performance. Even at 776 pounds, it feels impressively nimble compared to its heftier sibling, the standard Springfield. Priced at $25,000. The Springfield Dark Horse isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, style, and craftsmanship. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on long-distance adventures, this Indian bagger is built to turn heads and keep you coming back for more. Number 1. Indian Springfield. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling tribute to classic Americana, combining timeless design with commanding presence. Unlike the minimalistic Springfield Dark Horse, the Springfield embraces its full-fledged old-school charm, with teardrop fenders, chrome accents, auxiliary lights, and a massive quick-release windscreen. Every inch of this bike is designed to impress, from the beefy handlebars and gleaming chrome exhaust to the meticulously crafted lockable hard-case saddlebags. Powering this masterpiece is a 111 V-twin engine, air-cooled and delivering a formidable 119 pound-feet of torque, enough to glide this behemoth effortlessly down the road. At $23,000, the 2025 Indian Springfield isn't just a cruiser, it's a celebration of motorcycling heritage, perfect for riders who want a commanding presence and unmatched comfort. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.